It is all about the options in today's retirement segment as we discuss the two main ways to invest your funds in the market. This is passive and active fund management strategies. So which is best for you? Cory Sickles with Safe Harbor Wealth Advisors giving us something to think about. Cory Sickles is back with me with Safe Harbor Wealth Advisors. Cory, I want to start with passive fund management today. Describe what that is for our viewers.
Well, passive fund management, basically, I'm going to use a 401k as an example. You know, you put money in every paycheck period, you're buying mutual funds. And basically what you're doing is you're probably just putting money into a mutual fund that's trying to match a basic benchmark like the S&P 500. Basically, passive management means you're not going to do a whole lot of buying and selling of particular types of stocks or ETFs out there. You're just kind of go with the flow, buying mutual funds, trying to buy something that's going to actually match a current benchmark like the S&P 500.
And that's kind of, that set it and forget it mentality, right? You put money away, you don't really know what it's doing. Yeah. All right, so then let's talk about active then on the other side. What does that mean?
Now you're going to have a little bit more hands-on. And all that really means now is you're going to have money managers that are actually doing a lot more buying and selling on your behalf. And, with that comes now they're going to actually have, for each portfolio that they have, they're going to have benchmarks that they actually try to outperform. So in passive, you're just investing in a benchmark. With active, they're actually now going to try to beat that benchmark, for you as the client.
And so that's the thing. Which method then of investing do you do for your clients at Safe Harbor?
Well, we definitely use active management. We try to be more hands-on. We have a partnership with a company called Gradient Investments, and we utilize their portfolios, and they actually have fund managers that do active fund management. Now, the other nice part about that is with active fund management, I'm also going to be in a communication a lot more with my clients. And it's a good opportunity, especially this year, with the market being a yo-yo going up and down and, a lot of volatility. It allows us to be able to try to, reach the long-term goals of the clients based upon their risk levels. And I think active fund management for us is really the best opportunity for us to meet our clients' goals.
So as you talk about that, you imagine there's a lot more buying and selling taking place, right, with that hands-on approach. Is that going to cost your clients more? I know a lot of people think with every transaction, right, is going to come a higher fee.
Yeah, so there are definitely some firms out there where if you have active fund management, they could be charging you every time you make a trade. And if you're doing a lot of buys and sells, your costs could go up. At Safe Harbor, one of the things that we do is, even though we're using active fund management, we actually have a flat fee. So you're not being charged any types of transaction fees. When you come into our office and we kind of go over the different types of portfolios that you have, we're going to make sure that you understand what the all-in cost is for that. It's just a flat percentage per year.
Okay. All right. Good to know. Cory, 2020, to put it lightly, has been a unique year, especially in the market, right? We talk about COVID, the presidential election, other economic factors have kind of taken place. How have your portfolios then performed with all that in mind?
This year has actually been a good year for our portfolios. Our 10 most popular portfolios that we offer our clients have actually as through October, they've actually outperformed the index that they're actually measured against. Now, of course, past performance, I can't guarantee that for future, but this has been a good year. Of course, those numbers are through October. But, the other nice part about it is with me being more involved with the clients as well, we're able to meet the expectations, and it really helps when our portfolios outperform the benchmarks.
All right, Cory, and you can meet with those clients a number of different ways, and I'm sure that's the best way to find out if this is the right method for them.
Yes, we were meeting, of course, face to face, and we're wearing masks and all that from a safety standpoint. We can also meet via Zoom like we're doing today, and we can also even meet conference call. All of our meetings are complimentary, no obligations, but it gives us an opportunity if you do come in and meet with me to see, if active management's right for you, for the long term in order to meet your financial goals.
And there are two locations for Safe Harbor, one in Easton, the other in Dublin. So you can check them out at safeharboroh.com today. Cory, thank you.
Thank you, Robin.